Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install EA Play free trial of Madden NFL 26 game from Xbox app or Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. So first of all, make sure that you have active Game Pass subscription. So if you have a subscription, you can in the search box on Xbox app you can type in NFL 26 and you can click on the game, or you can go to Game Pass over here and then click on EA Play over here and you will see the game over here. Scroll down here, you can see under EA Play Trials, click on the game and then you will see the install button. Hit install. If EA app is not pre-installed in computer, it will prompt you to install EA app, so click on install EA app. Now if EA app is already installed, then straight away it will open the EA app. Now over here you can see let's go option, so click on let's go, click on yes to allow. Now once installed, it should launch EA app. Now if EA app is not launching, you can click on install once again, and also you can go to your profile icon, go to settings, and then you can go to install library and extensions, and make sure EA app is enabled over here. Now you can click on install multiple times, so I'm clicking on install once again, and this time it should open EA app. So here you can see it's opening the EA app now. Now if you want to change the install location, you can change it from here. If you want to change the language, you can change the language from here, and then click on next over here, click on download, and here you can see 10 hours trial. So this is how you can download, install and play Madden NFL 26 EA Play free trial from Xbox app. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.